Okay, it's loading. Okay, transparent. Now you must consider this thing. If you want to trace a picture and you don't want it to have any background, you use transparent. But because if you use white or background color, it will show something on the background. So it is better you use transparent. Then you press OK. So it will come like that. Okay, first and foremost, you have to open the file. You can press Ctrl O to open. You hold on your Ctrl and O to open the file, or you can come to file, then click on open. So it's the same thing. Now I want to trace out this picture of mine. Okay, let me trace out this picture. I click on it, then I click open. Now here's the picture. I always tell people that don't just start working on the main picture. You can actually copy the picture first by coming here by clicking this tool. It's called by clicking this tool to select, then you drag, then you can right click, you go to copy. Okay, you can click on Ctrl C, that's copy, or you come to edit, you click on copy, then you can press Ctrl N. Ctrl N is new, Ctrl N, or you come here new, whichever way you want to go. To Ctrl N to open a new worksheet. So now you can press Ctrl V. Ctrl V means paste, or you come here, then you paste it. Come here to paste. Ctrl V means paste. You come to edit, then you click on paste. Now there are tools you can use to trace out your background. You see these tools, polygonal lasso tool. That's by clicking L, it will give you the tool icon directly. And we have the magic wand tool, is for total tracing. If you see now, it will trace the picture completely. Can you see the magic? Can you see the magic it gives me? Immediately it will trace out the picture. Can you see? No background again on the picture. So that's one of its kind. You can see this is for magic wand. Now let's take, for example, I want to trace out some part of the picture. Let me press Ctrl N again to bring out the picture again. Okay, so you can actually use your lasso, your polygonal lasso free tool. You click on it, then you can trace. So first click on the object. Now you can press plus to zoom. Plus you can zoom the picture, then you trace like this. You hold on to your control, your space button to move. Hold on to your space bar to move. So you click moving your cursor like this. Hope you are seeing what I'm doing. So you trace the edge of the picture, the object you want to trace out. There are two ways to it. So you keep tracing till you get a perfect picture you want. So let's look at it and see on it. Okay, now if you want to minimize, you press minus, it will minimize it. Double click, then press delete, it will move the background. If you want to remove this thing, just you will right click, then you click on deselect. It will remove the selection. So you can go again. You press your plus to zoom. You can see what I'm doing. You can see it. So hold on to your space bar to move it. Okay, you press backspace to cancel the selection. Okay, click on delete.